फेडरेशन ऑफ मोटर स्पोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडियाच्या बावट्याखाला मोटर स्पोर्ट हांणी हालींच 12वी दक्षिण डेर क्रॉस कंट्री सर्त आयोजीत केल्ली। तातूंत 400 सीसी मोटरसायकल गटान गोंयच्या शहाबुद्दीन सय्यद हाणें भांगरा पदक मेळयलें। बंगळूर, चित्रदुर्ग, शिवमोगा, शिर्शी अशी 1,500 किलोमिटराची ही सर्त आसली। हेर स्पर्धकां परस शहाबुद्दीन 15 मिनटां बेगीन पावलो। दुसरो क्रमांक कोलकात्याच्या विशाल दास हाका मेळ्ळो। चेन्नईच्या स्पर्धकांक तिसरो क्रमांक फावो जालो।
Good evening, everyone. It was really a very fantastic event. Motorsport IC, let us know. Full team of Motorsport IC, they were all who supported Ravi. At the same time, they were guiding for the new riders like me. Thank you so much. And the whole team of organization, who like from the start day 1 to day 4, the whole organizing team was so amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.